guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you watched my video, I guess it was 2 or 3 videos ago now, where I was doing the channel chat and I was talking about how things were slowing down for us, that we were slowing down, and that we would probably take a little bit of a different tack for this channel over the winter. That's still true, but we've had a couple of interesting developments that I wanted to share with you real quick. One of those is that we just went and applied for our farm tax number. So what this will do is basically save us a lot of money when we go to buy things for the farm. And what else it does is it makes Cattail Acres officially a farm. Now, we have not been approved yet. That is going to be the longest 2 or 3 weeks ever, but if we get approved, it would make a big difference in what we're able to get accomplished as far as getting everything set up for the goats. Yeah, I said goats. I'm ridiculous about the idea of getting goats. And it will allow us to do a little more of the fruit and vegetable farming side of things. It'll help us take off for our tractor and all of the things. It will essentially set us up as a business, as a farm. So it's a big, huge thing for us. It's one we really weren't sure that we wanted to pursue, but getting the tractor has made that an option again. So we now have the option also, since we decided to go this route of expanding our hives, which we kind of intended to do anyway, but this way we will be able to add 2 more hives this upcoming year or the year after instead of just 1 at a time. It will allow us to purchase extracting equipment and candle making equipment and soap making equipment, and I am stupid excited. Oh, hey kiddo. There's Santana. She's all dressed up to go to her doctor today. We're going to take her to get all of her shots caught up and get her a good flea treatment. She is not excited. I am excited. I am crazy excited. And I'm super stoked to finally be able to do the things that we honestly thought that we weren't going to be able to do. And be able to do them ourselves. Because, you know, it's really just us. And I think we like it that way, to be honest. We don't want to hire people to do our stuff unless it's the fencing. we may have to hire people to help with the fencing, but so expanding chickens, hopefully. Oh, she's got my cord. You got my cord, pumpkin. Don't pull my thing over. Where are you going? You can't go back there. I think the goats that we want are Nigerian dwarfs. The small size means that we could, in the space that we have, put a few goats on there. I'd like to get at least 2 2 does and a buck. I started saying nannies and billies, but apparently that's frowned upon in polite goat society. So we'll call them does and bucks. And I'd like to have at least 1 buck and 2 does of good bloodline. That's what I'd like to have. I don't know if we can start out on that level You know, we may need to get beginner goats and go from there. But whatever we do, it's going to be a learning experience, and you're along for the journey. So, y'all be safe, be well, and we'll see ya.